Sensational. What can I do for you, girl?
Tell me where you been? Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka OVERHYPED Style, and welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new to me, make sure you press that subscribe button and get to know your girl. We doing a wig review, and it's on this wig that y'all was overhyping at one point. I was like, calm down, it is not that deep, because y'all was overhyping. So I'm like, you know what, they might not be overhyping it, sis. You didn't even try it. So guess what, we're gonna try it to see if the hype is as true as y'all made it seem. Okay, let's get into it. This time we're doing a Sensational brand, and it is a Cloud9 Swiss lace wig called What Lace? Hairline Illusion Lace Wig. And this is her. I know y'all been seeing her everywhere. If you follow any wig pages, you have not missed this lady. I promise you, somebody posted it because she was all over the place when it first came out. The color that I got is Balayage Platinum. I don't know how to say that freaking word, but this is a Glenna wig from Sensationnel. This is a black wig, but it has like silver gray streaks in it. And kind of why I did my eyeshadow kind of black with some silver gray in there, because I wanted to match the vibe of the wig. Everybody was getting this color too, and I barely was seeing anybody with this color. So I'm like, you know what? Get the color that everybody don't have, and let's see if the hype is real. So let's get into the wig. The wig. This is her. Obviously, you can see you can part it many different ways. You can put it up in a little middle part. You can put it part on this side, part on that side. I love wigs like that, and I love a good HD wig where it's 13 by 6 and you just move it how you want to. I love it. This is the inside of the card. It's showing you the customized hand-tied hair pluck hairline. This one right here, it says undetachable. Virtually undetectable HD lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out the box. And it's a well-crafted wig, they say. This is a 13 by 6 ear to ear. This is a 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied pre-plucked natural density undetectable flawless hairline. Perfect hairline with baby hair along with the hairline. Pre-customizable unit. Protective style, no leave out necessarily. And they have their many different colors, but we have this black and that gray streak. So we're gonna pull her out the box. I'm loving it already. I never had a wig this color. This is our unit, mostly gray and black. So this is the inside. This is the lace. Do we have any combs? Yes, we have combs. We have a comb right here, one on the other side, right here, and then we have one in the back. So, what are we gonna do first? I am going to put it on my head, spray it down, and then cut it from there, okay? So let's put it on. I'm telling you right now, I already like it. I already like it, because I already like the makeup with the vibes. The makeup and the hair color combo is already giving what it's supposed to give. And I just got started. You know what I'm saying? I just got started. I'm not even done yet. Let's spray it. Let that dry. Pull out these edges that I will be using, and we're gonna spray and wrap it. How about that? Okay, let's pull it back. Let's get into it. When I was brushing through it, it did have some shedding, okay? But it's all good because I think I got it all out. Little ball. But the hair feels really good. And I really just love this color. I love the body of it because it's just like, I like how I could just part it this way. I can let it swoop over my eyes if I want to. I can flip it over, have it looking cute on this side. Part it how I want to within this area. I'm not used to this color, but I definitely could get used to the color. I think it makes it like a dangerous feel. Like it's giving dangerous, it's giving sexy, it's giving edgy. I love a good edge piece, okay? Okay, sis. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, but I'm definitely a side part type of girl. This how it is in the middle. It's cute. But it's just something about that side. It's just something about that side that does it for me. The hair feels really good. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Really soft. Just really pretty, okay? The only thing is I thought my lace would blend a little bit more on my skin, but I had to put a little bit of makeup on the lace so it could blend a little bit better because it was definitely giving very much white. And my skin is brown, sweetie. So I just put my hair in this like updo right here. And then as I'm doing this, I low-key want to cut this because I want to bang. Oh my goodness, that'd be so cute. Like low-key, I do want to though. I was trying to do this right here. But I low-key want to. You think I should cut it? Okay. I would cut more, but I'm too scared. I'm too scared. So we gonna leave it like this, and it's cute enough. And we leave it like this, cause it's cute enough. Yeah. It is so cute and edgy. I just can part in both sides. How amazing is that? And it looks so good too. That part look good. Yeah, don't play with her. Y'all think I should keep it like this or leave it like out? I like both styles, but I'm just gonna do it how, whatever outfit I pick determines everything from that point. See, I even like it like this. Yeah, I love it. I love it even more. This wig is that girl, okay? It's that girl. I am done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think this wig is overhyped? Because I literally thought this wig was overhyped, but I get it. Especially with the color, the mixture of the colors, I get it. Shout out to Sensational. What can I do for you, girl? And I know, act a fool for you. Yes. She's an edgy girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. We had enough fun for today, okay? I will see you in the next video. Deuces, boo.
Dice is on the beat.